This Diwali, Bollywood and celebrity circles lit up with love, laughter, and beautiful traditions. From festive firsts to surprise reveals, here's how your favorite stars celebrated. Parents-to-be Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif embraced the festive spirit with a sweet and simple post. Katrina, who is expecting their first child, shared a photo of a diya in her palm with Vicky's hand underneath. Happy Diwali! Vicky shared the same image with a hug emoji. While Katrina stayed away from the lens, Vicky was seen lighting sparklers with his brother Sunny and dad Sham Kaushal. Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra celebrated their first Diwali as parents after welcoming their baby girl in July. Sharing a beautiful festive clip, Kiara wrote, "Happy Diwali!" Superstar Shah Rukh Khan warmed hearts with a touching post featuring Gauri Khan offering a Diwali puja. His caption read, "Happy Diwali to everyone. May Goddess Lakshmi Ji bless you with prosperity and happiness. Wishing love, light and peace to all." Samantha Ruth Prabhu celebrated Diwali with rumored beau Raj Nidhi Moru. The two posed together at her beautifully decorated home. Sam looked radiant in a green outfit while Raj complimented her look in blue. She shared glimpses of her home, sparklers, and her two adorable dogs. Kriti Senon shared glimpses from her Ghar Wali Diwali with rumored boyfriend Kabir Bhaiya. She wore a stunning red and golden sharara, while Kabir matched in a black and silver kurta. Her sister Nupur Senon and singer Steben Ben were also part of the celebration. Superstar Rajinikanth celebrated with his family in a warm, low-key setting. His daughter Saundarya shared photos with the caption, "Wishing you all a very happy Deepavali." Cricketer Hardik Pandya made headlines by going official with model Mahika Sharma this Diwali 2 years after his split from Natasha Stankovic. The new couple twinned in red traditional outfits as they stepped out of a star-studded Diwali bash, sending fans into a frenzy. This Diwali wishing you light, laughter, and happiness all year long. Happy Diwali from your favorite celebs. It's a big day for fans of the Madhak Horror Comedy Universe, or MHCU. Today, Thama, starring Ayushmann Khurrana and Rashmika Mandanna, has hit the big screens. This is the 5th film in the ever-growing MHCU, and there's a surprise twist waiting in the theatre. During the movie, the makers dropped a massive announcement. The next film in the MHCU is titled Shakti Shalini, and it will star Sayara fame actress Aneet Padda. A video has gone viral on social media, and fans are calling it the official announcement teaser of Shakti Shalini. In the video, we get a glimpse of what to expect from the film. And then comes the big reveal. Aneet Pad in Shakti Shalini. That's not all, the film also has a confirmed release date. Shakti Shalini is all set to hit the big screens on 24th December 2026, a Christmas release. Earlier, there were reports that Kiara Advani was supposed to star in Shakti Shalini. But the film was never officially announced with the War 2 actress. Now, it's clear that Aneet Pad is stepping into the lead role. With Thama released and Shakti Shalini now officially part of the lineup, fans can expect many more films to come under the MHCU banner. At the trailer launch of Thama, Shraddha Kapoor revealed another surprise. Before Stree 3 hits cinemas, an animated film titled Choti Stree will release. While there's no official release date yet for Choti Stree, the announcement has fans even more excited for what's coming next. So there you have it. Thama is out now, Shakti Shalini is on the way, and the Madhak Horror Comedy Universe is only getting bigger and better. Which MHCU film are you most excited for? Let us know in the comments. Karishma Kapoor, a name that defined an era of Bollywood. Today, she's once again in the spotlight, but not for a film. The actor is going through a turbulent time in her personal life. Her children, Samaira and Kian, are caught in a legal battle over the estate of her former husband, Sanjay Kapoor. Sanjay passed away on 12 June in London after he allegedly suffered a heart attack while playing polo. Now, Samaira and Kian, with Karishma acting as their legal guardian, have taken Sanjay's widow, Priya Sachdev Kapoor, to court. They've accused Priya of forging his will and are questioning its authenticity. Amid this turmoil, a heartwarming moment reminded fans of Karishma's strength. Khalid Mohammed, the director of Fiza and writer of Jubeda, shared this stunning throwback of Karishma on Instagram. He wrote, "Dear dear Lolo, always brave against all odds with rose emoji." Karishma responded with a simple yet heartfelt message. Khalid with folded hand, white heart and sparkles emojis. Fans were quick to show support. One wrote, "Over the passage of time, Lolo has come out as a survivor and a real fighter." Another added, "I'm still loving her in every conditions of all time." Through the highs and the lows, Karishma continues to inspire, not just with her on-screen performances, but with her grace and resilience in real life. For more updates on this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Veteran actor Govardhan Asrani, fondly known as Asrani, passed away in Mumbai on Monday. He was 84. Celebrated for his impeccable comic timing and unforgettable characters, Asrani worked in over 300 films across a career that spanned decades. The actor reportedly breathed his last at Bharatiya Arogya Nidhi Hospital in Juhu, where he had been admitted 4 days ago due to breathing issues. According to his manager Babu Bhai Thiba, he was a bit unwell. He was admitted following breathing issues. He passed away today at 3 p.m. We were told by the doctors that water had accumulated in his lungs. His funeral and final rites were held at 8 p.m. at the Santa Cruz Crematorium in Mumbai. The ceremony was kept private, as per his wishes. However, photos of his grieving family at the cremation were later shared online. Just hours before his passing, Asrani had shared Diwali greetings on Instagram. The news of his sudden demise left the film industry and fans heartbroken. Actor Akshay Kumar, who worked closely with him, wrote, "Speechless with grief at the passing of Asrani ji. What an absolute loss to our industry. God bless you Asrani sir, for giving us a million reasons to laugh. Om Shanti." Filmmaker Anees Bajmi also remembered his friend of 40 years. "He was a fantastic actor and an equally great human being. I'll miss him a lot." Lyricist Manoj Muntashir tweeted, "The jailer from the British era, you left behind an era of comedy. We will miss you a lot, Mr. Asrani." Asrani is survived by his wife, actress Manju Asrani, his sister, and nephew. The couple had no children. Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis summed it up best. "His performances always struck a chord with audiences. We share their grief. Thank you for the laughter, Asrani ji. You will never be forgotten."